Hello everyone, good afternoon. So let's start the session of engineering graphics and design. Right, engineering graphics and design. Just a minute, I think it's working. Sorry, getting the proper clear sound from my side, clear voice from my side. Okay, okay, thank you. So in the previous session, actually I was not available for the B batch, and today we have the B batch and A batch both right now in this meeting. A few things was covered in the previous lecture, previous session. Now we'll continue. Now we'll continue the sheet number 1, drawing sheet number 1. Just a minute. I think this software is creating some issue. Just give me 1 minute, okay? Okay, so I think now it's working properly with the screen. On the screen, you can observe that I was actually trying to start the camera, but it was not working right now. Don't know. No issue. There is no any requirement for that. So screen and voice is there. If you are facing any difficulty, just tell me. So this is the practice sheet. In the practice sheet, we have to solve few examples. Okay. In the previous session, few things was covered, like types of line was done, and maybe the dimensioning method is done for both batch A and B. Am I right? Dimensioning method and types of line. ये दोनों question complete हो चुके हैं ना? Okay. Okay, so we'll continue with this one, right? 12 and 8 equal parts of the circle, bisection of line, arc, and angle. Okay, and as you already know that this is the subject of practice. Okay, this is the subject of practice, not only the learning. Let me give you the brief highlight about the requirement of the practice, why we need to do the practice at the same time. Okay, why we have the lots of time. As you can observe that for this subject particularly, you have a 2 labs. Okay, 4 hours of the lab within a week. 8 part is done in the A batch. Okay, okay, so 8 part is done in the A batch. Okay, no issue. We'll cover that part at the last in the quick manner. Okay, and it is going to be revision for you. It's a small topic, so not there's not big issue. So I'm just talking about why the practice is important. Okay, why the practice is important. See, this is the subject of drawings. Okay, and drawings can be learned by practice only, right? ये आपको मतलब प्रैक्टिस करके ही आप पूरी तरह से सीख सकते हो और पूरी तरह से एग्जाम में आप ड्राइंग कर सकते हो, राइट? इफ यू वांट टू परफॉर्म इन द एग्जाम आपको मतलब समझाना नहीं है, जैसे कि मैं आपको समझा रहा हूँ ये ड्राइंग ऐसे होता है ऐसे होता है. In the exam you have to draw it, right, practically. So two things is going to be matter. The first one, that is the drawing accuracy of the drawing, and the second thing, that is the speed of the drawing, right? Drawing speed भी matter करता है. आपके पास बहुत limited time है और within the time period, see बाकी सभी subjects के compare में इस subject में आपको 30 minutes ज्यादा मिलेंगे, right? बाकी सभी subjects में 2.5 hours होता है. सेम मार्क्स के लिए इसी सब्जेक्ट में आपको 3 hours मिलेंगे, राइट? बट स्टिल lots of students are facing the issue regarding the time, right? I am just talking the experience of 12 years in this subject. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को इश्यू होता है टाइम मैनेजमेंट, राइट। द रीजन इज लैक्स इन द प्रैक्टिस। प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे तो आप विद इन द टाइम लिमिट ड्राइंग कंप्लीट नहीं कर सकते हो, राइट। इट्स लाइक अ स्विमिंग, राइट। स्विमिंग आप जानते हो ना, स्विमिंग तैरना, राइट। अगर आपको स्विमिंग सीखना है तो आप बुक रीडिंग करके स्विमिंग नहीं सीख सकते। हाउ टू स्विम ऐसा कोई बुक आप ले लो और सिर्फ रीडिंग करके आप स्विमिंग कर सकते हो? नो, दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल। यू हैव टू डू इट प्रैक्टिकली। सिमिलरली in this subject the practical thing is very important. Okay, so first of all we'll start with the let us start with the 12 equal division of the circle. Okay, last question, the 12 equal part of the circle. And also we can start this bisection also, as you say the in a batch the 8 equal part is done. So let us start with the bisection of arc, angle and line. Okay, bisection, first of all, what is the bisection? So the bisection, that is actually dividing anything in the two different part, two equal part exactly, not different part, but two equal part. Okay, we can do it with the help of scale very easily, but we want to learn the standard procedure in the engineering graphics. Okay, so first of all, we'll start with the bisection of line, then after bisection of arc, then after bisection of angle. Okay, we will see one by one. And you have to be ready with the drawing instrument. You have to be ready with the drawing instrument. And you need to perform the practice. When I complete the drawing from here, then after you have to start the practice. No need to do it parallelly with me. Okay, it is going to create the lots of issue. मेरे साथ पैरेलल ड्राइंग करने की जरूरत नहीं है, ये आपको बहुत सारे कंफ्यूजन्स क्रिएट करेंगे, राइट। So just let me complete the drawing from my side, then after you can start the drawing. Okay, so first of all I'm just starting the bisection of line. Okay, so for that we need one line. I'm just making the line of random length. Okay, the length is randomly over here. Here it is the line. ज़्यादा हो गया. So here it is the line. Okay. Can you observe the software screen properly? This line and all that thing. Just answer me one or two student only. ये line और software properly दिख रहा है ना? Okay. 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 No need to answer everyone. Okay, done. So if I want to divide this line into two equal part, okay, we don't know the length. इसकी length आपको पता नहीं है, right? If we have the scale, we can just measure the length, but we are not having the scale right now. Okay, we are not having the scale right now. We don't know the length of this line. इसका length भी हमें पता नहीं है, right? We have the compass, but we have the compass. हमारे पास मान लो compass है. The only option is what? Compass. So with the help of this compass, we can make the two equal divisions. Okay, two equal divisions. For that, what you need to do, you have to set the compass like this. Okay, the left point will be on the left side at the starting of the line, exactly at the starting of the line. And then after, you have to open the compass. You have to open the compass is equal to more than half. राइट, कितना ओपन करना है वो कोई फिक्स नहीं है, लेकिन उसके लिए एक कंडीशन है कि ये लाइन के मिडल से अप्रोक्सीमेटली ज्यादा होना चाहिए. ओके, देन आफ्टर यू हैव टू फिक्स दैट विड्थ. यहाँ पे जो लाइन का मिड पॉइंट है अप्रोक्सीमेटली यहाँ पे आएगा, राइट. तो मैंने क्या किया, कंपास को हाफ से थोड़ा ज्यादा ओपन कर दिया, राइट, हाफ से थोड़ा ज्यादा. सो दैट इज द ओनली कंडीशन. मिडल से थोड़ा ज्यादा होना चाहिए, कितना वो कोई लेंथ मैटर नहीं करता अभी. ओके, then after I'm moving this compass like this up to here, and now I will draw one arc like this. Okay, I will draw one arc like this from this point. Okay, and also we'll draw the line at the downside also. Okay, also we can draw the line at downside also like this. So these are the two different arc by using the compass. By using the compass. Now observe the arc. Okay. This is the arc. Okay. Now we will repeat the similar procedure from this point. but we have to orient the compass in the opposite direction like this. See, now measurement must not need to change. अब इसका measurement change नहीं होना चाहिए. जो हमने पहले लेंथ सेट किया था कि अप्रोक्सीमेटली हाफ से ज्यादा, वो अप्रोक्सीमेटली था, लेकिन एक आर्क बनने के बाद उसका विड्थ जो है वो चेंज होना नहीं चाहिए. दैट इज अ कंपल्सरी, राइट. Now we have to intersect the first arc like this, right? This is the intersecting over here, and at the upper side it is also going to intersect here. Okay, so this intersection is done. Okay, intersection is done. Now what you need to do, simply you have to just make the line which is just passing through this intersection, which is just passing through this intersection. Okay, ये लाइन मैं ऐसे ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप कर सकता हूँ, लेकिन आप पेज में नहीं कर सकते. अगर इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट पे लाइन आपका नहीं है तो आप नहीं कर सकते, राइट. ये सॉफ्टवेयर में पॉसिबल है. सो यू टू टेक केयर अबाउट इट, राइट. यू टू टेक केयर अबाउट इट. द ड्राइंग मस्ट बी एक्यूरेट. Drawing must be accurate. So is it clear, everyone? No need to say yes, yes, everyone. Just if anyone have any doubt, just tell me. Okay, अगर इसमें कोई डाउट है तो मुझे बताओ. No need to start the drawing. Okay, we'll complete the all bisection, then after we will start the drawing. Okay, so I think there is no any query, no any requirement of repetition. Okay, so starting the second one, that is what? That is the bisection of arc. Okay, so I'm taking one random arc over here. This is, let us say, arc. Okay, this is the arc. Okay, now if I want to make the bisection of this arc, अब इस arc का bisection मुझे बनाना है. So I will use the same compass again. I will set the tip of the compass at one end. Similar procedure is there. Okay, and I will open the compass approximately more than half. Okay, approximately more than half. But the left point must need to be set at the starting point. Then after, just make the arc at upper side. Just a minute. Make the arc at the upper side and make the arc at the downside. Okay, like this. This is the arc at upper side and arc at downside. ऊपर और दोनों नीचे दोनों side arc बनाना है, right? Then after the set the compass at this point. Okay, set the compass at this point and cross the first arc. Okay, पहली arc जो बनाई उसको सिर्फ क्रॉस करना है, पूरी लाइन आप नहीं बनाओ तो भी चलेगा, right? You have to just intersect the first arc. Similar procedure as the first one. Similar procedure as the line. लाइन का बाइसेक्शन है और आर्क का बाइसेक्शन है, दोनों में प्रोसीजर जो है वो सिमिलर है. अभी यहाँ पे इस इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट से पास होती हुई लाइन आपको बनानी है. दिस इज द बाइसेक्शन ऑफ आर्क. अब इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब ये है कि ये जो आर्क का ये पोर्शन है, राइट, आर्क का ये पोर्शन और ये पोर्शन दोनों का लेंथ जो है वो सेम रहेगा. लाइन में भी लेफ्ट साइड और राइट साइड दोनों सेम रहेगा, राइट. So this is the about the bisection of line and bisection of arc. Bisection of line and bisection of arc. Okay, so this is the similar procedure. Now little bit change is there in the bisection of angle. Okay, I'm just making one random angle. This is the line number 1 and this is the line number 2. So यहाँ पे एक angle create हुआ, right? यहाँ पे एक angle create हुआ. Now if I want to make the bisection of this angle, so for that you have to take this compass, set the corner over here, then set the width of the compass appropriate. यहाँ पे भी कितनी width रखे वो कोई फिक्स नहीं है, लेकिन एक बार आर्क स्टार्ट करने के बाद वो width आपको फिक्स कर देनी है, उसके बाद चेंज नहीं करना है, right? Once you set the total width, then after no need to must not need to change the width. right? Once you fix the measurement, then after don't change it. And draw the arc like this. Okay, draw the arc like this. See यहाँ से जैसे arc बनाया, right? For the bisection of angle. Then after set the compass at this intersection point. Okay, set the compass at this intersection point. Then after just draw the arc like this. Okay, in the air over here, draw the arc. Then after set the compass at this point and intersect the first arc. Okay, intersection like this. Okay, intersect the first arc. Now it is done. Okay, now you have to draw only line which is passing through this point, and corner. So this is the bisection of angle. This is what? A bisection of angle. Okay, so now the question number 5 is completed. Question number 5 is what? Completed. So can you draw this now from your side? You have to draw it. Okay, that is a compulsory for everyone. You have to practice it now. Okay, so what will follow the standard procedure from my side in each and every lab is you can start the drawing now. Okay, you can start the drawing now in the sketchbook. Once you complete the 3 drawings, okay, once you complete the 3 drawings, bisection of line, arc and angle, do it fast please, and please listen the instruction carefully. So start करने से पहले instruction पहले ध्यान से सुन लो. Okay, just complete the bisection of line, arc and angle quickly. Okay, I'm giving you, let us say 10 minutes. Okay, within the 10 minutes just try to complete in the 10 minutes. If it is not completed then okay, अभी 10 minutes में नहीं होता है तो it's okay, no problem. And I will just randomly pick few names. यहाँ से मैं few names आपका बोलूंगा, right? 2 3 4 5 जो भी नेम्स है जो आपने लिखे उसको मुझे फोटोग्राफ सेंड करना होगा, राइट? जिसका भी नाम मैं यहाँ से बोलूंगा, राइट, आफ्टर द 10 मिनट्स उसको मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे फोटो सेंड करना है आपके ड्राइंग का, राइट? Randomly I will pick the few student and every time I will change the student and you have to send me the photograph of your drawing. Okay, विड्थ कोई भी लाइन की ले सकते हैं जो 2 लाइन कनेक्ट हो रहा है. यस, यू कैन टेक एनी विड्थ, कोई भी विड्थ आप ले सकते हो. नो एनी कंस्ट्रेंट रिगार्डिंग द डायमेंशन. द कंस्ट्रेंट इज यू हैव टू डिवाइड दिस थिंग इन द 2 इक्वल पार्ट. डायमेंशन का कोई कंस्ट्रेंट नहीं है. लेंथ कोई भी ले सकते हो, आर्क लेंथ कोई भी ले सकते हो, एंगल कोई भी ले सकते हो. कंस्ट्रेंट क्या है? जो भी आप लो लाइन, एंगल या फिर आर्क, उसको हाफ हाफ डिवाइड करना है बाय यूजिंग द कंपास. कंपास यूज करके आपको हाफ में डिवाइड करना है. सो स्टार्ट द ड्राइंग नाउ. ओके, I will just randomly pick the 3 student and they need to send me the photo of their sketchbook. Okay, and yes, you need to do each and everything in the sketchbook only. If any question, any query is there, you can ask me in the chat box. If you want to use the mic, that is also allowed. Okay, just raise the hand. I will unmute you. I will active your mic and you can discuss with me by using the mic also. If you don't want to type, just raise the hand. Yes, it is applicable to both A batch and B batch. Yes, hello everyone. So type done in the chat box when you complete the drawing and do it fast so that we can move to the next one. Enrollment number 701770197042. Need to send me the photograph in the WhatsApp. Yes, complete it fast, please. And as I mentioned, enroll number 171942. You need to send me the photograph, okay? And also mention the number in the message. I hope that everyone have completed now. I received the almost answer from. Oh, lots of students are pending till. Okay, 17 and yes, Dharmik. What is the problem? You can just ask me. Dharmik Suchak. Just a minute. Okay, Dharmik, you can use the mic now. Click on the mic. Okay, okay, okay. So Dharmik, what is the problem that you are facing? Just explain me in the chat box if possible. Then I will explain. Okay, so I'm just removing this drawing now. and almost all the students have sent the message. Uh, Please raise the hand if still anyone is working. Raise the hand if anyone is still drawing. अभी कोई drawing कर रहा है तो hand raise करो so that we can wait. Otherwise we can just move to the next one. Okay, so I think it's a completed for everyone. So let's move to the next option, that is the equal division of circle, right? Equal division of circle. So for making the equal division of circle, we have a two option that actually generally applicable in our uh, engineering course chapter mostly, right? 8 equal division of circle and 12 equal division of circle, right? 8 equal division of circle and 12 equal division of circle. So we'll see one by one both 8 and 12 equal division of the circle. 8 and 12 equal division of circle. So for that, first of all, we need the circle. Okay, so you have to just fix the radius of circle, right? Whatever the radius that you require, you have to open the compass up to that radius. आपको सबसे पहले रेडियस फिक्स करना है और जितनी रेडियस चाहिए उतना कंपास आपको ओपन करना है, right? That you can measure with the help of scale, right? You have to set the scale like this. Then after, if you want the circle having the diameter 60 mm circle का diameter चाहिए तो आपको 30 mm compass open करना है, right? You have to open the compass is equal to how much? 30 mm. Okay. Then after you can draw the circle. Then after you can draw the circle by using this compass. By using this compass, right? This is the circle. Okay. So this is the circle is done. Now make sure that your compass will fixed at this measurement only. यहाँ पे इसका measurement change ना हो, right? Then after you can take the scale and you have to in the scale, by using the scale you have to make the vertical line and horizontal line from the center point of the circle. See आपके पास center होगा, right? Center कैसे होगा कि आपने ये जो point है वो कहीं पे पेज पे फिक्स किया है. At that time you will have the center. In this software it is not possible to identify the soft center, so I am just taking it randomly. But you have the center point, right? You must have the center point. So vertical line and horizontal line which is passing through the center only, right? You have to make the vertical and horizontal line which is passing through the center. So now this is the 4 equal division of circle, right? This is the 4 equal division of circle. Am I right? For the A batch it may be a revision, okay, but the 12 equal division is I think new for the A batch also, right? So now yes, what is the issue? Okay, nothing. I am making the 8 equal division of circle. So you have to set the compass at this corner, right? You need to set the compass at this corner. Then after, make sure that his compass is having the still same measurement. If you have the doubt, just check it before. Okay, just check the measurement. Is it still at 30 mm opening, right? You can take the reference from this quadrant point. This is the quadrant point. Okay, this 4 section at 90 degree in the circle, that is known as the quadrant points. So you can take the reference from the quadrant to the center of the circle. It may be a 30. Okay, it will be a 30. Now you have to just bring the compass outside the circle. Then after you need to mark the arc like this. Okay, you need to make the arc like this. Okay, and similarly you can do the downside also, right? Similarly you can do the downside also. Take the compass outside the circle, then after draw the arc like this. Okay, then after set the compass at the next point. Set the compass at next point, next quadrant point. Bring the compass outside the circle and draw the arc like this. Okay, then after set the compass at the another side and draw the arc like this. वंस यू कंप्लीट द 2 आर्क, 2 आर्क, कोई भी एक पॉइंट से 2 साइड आर्क बनेगा, राइट। एक आर्क कंप्लीट हो जाए उसके बाद नेक्स्ट पॉइंट पे शिफ्ट कर देना है, राइट। देन आफ्टर सेट द कंपास ओवर हियर एंड कंप्लीट द आर्क, complete the arc which is going to intersect the first one, okay, and complete the arc at the downside also, complete the arc at the downside also, like this. दो arc हो गया. Now we have to just shift the compass to the next point, set the compass over here, then after intersect this arc, intersect, and then after intersect in this direction also, like this, right. So this is the procedure. This is the procedure. Once you complete this one, you have to use the scale, right? You need to set the scale like this. Then after you have to draw the line which is passing through these 2 points. Okay, which is passing through these 2 points like this. Okay. यहाँ पे मुझे scale की use की जरूरत नहीं है because I have the option in the software to make the straight line, but you are not having the option in the sketchbook to make the straight line. You have to use the scale like this. Okay, you can even use the set square also. So I'm just going to the line, then after a line which is passing through this 3 point, actually it is going to pass through 3 different points, this point, then after center point, and this point. Okay, this is not exact and accurate, so it is not possible in my case. Okay, but you have to make it accurate and exact. The line is passing through all 3 points, point this one and this one, right. So this is the 8 equal division of the circle. Now you can observe that here we have the 8 equal division. This is the 1, this is the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are the 8 equal division of the circle. Okay. So if you are having any doubt, any queries, you can ask me. Otherwise, we can just move to the next one, that is the 12 equal division of circle. Okay. Let me complete the both 8 and 12 equal division. Then after you have to practice it. Okay. And all the students, those who have just sent me the photo, have did the very perfect examples. Very good. I forgot the numbers actually. Just let me check it. Yes, number 17, number 19, number 42 did the excellent job. Very good. Okay. Now I'm making the another circle, which is having the. We can take the same measurement. Okay. Each and every time, just check the width of the compass. Right. See, this is the 29 exactly, not 30. But it doesn't matter for me right now. Okay. Whatever it is, I can take it anything. So this is 30 now. And now I'm going to make the circle of 60 mm diameter. This is a circle of 60 mm diameter. Now the next step is what? Next step is you have to make the vertical and horizontal line. So for that you need to use the scale. So I'm making the scale at 0 degree first. Then after I'm setting the scale at the quadrant point, or we can say it's at the center point, passing through the center point. Now this is the approximate thing for me actually. This is not the perfect center I have, right? यहाँ पे मैंने कंपास कहाँ पे सेट किया था वो देख नहीं सकते यहाँ पे इसमें. So I'm just make it approximately, but you have to make it perfectly. Then after I'm setting the at 90 degree scale at vertical scale, and you can take the line from the center like this. Okay. So these are the lines passing through the center. Okay. Now we are making the 12 equal division of circle. Circle के 12 equal division करेंगे हम. Now we need the compass again. Just check the width. Is it okay? Yes, it is same. Okay. Right. Now go to the circle. Not outside the circle, but are exactly on the circle. In case of 12 equal division, सर्कल के ऊपर ही आर्क लगाना है, सर्कल के बाहर नहीं. Similarly at the downside. Okay, now the similar procedure you have to repeat for the 4 times. Okay, सी यहाँ पे इस पॉइंट से रख के 2 आर्क लग गए, अब इस पॉइंट पे, इस पॉइंट पे, इस पॉइंट पे, राइट. So I'm setting the compass over here at this point and making the arc this side and making the arc this side. Okay, setting the compass over here. Then after making the arc at this point and making the arc at this point. Then setting the compass at the next quadrant point. Draw the arc. Now by mistake the size of compass is changed, so I will just reset it. Okay, now it's perfect. And arc. And arc. Okay. So this is the done 12 equal division of the circle. This is done 12 equal division of circle. ये क्या हुआ? Circle के 12 equal division. You need to draw the lines, very thin lines actually. यहाँ पे भी मैंने ये line जो है वो thick बना दी है, लेकिन क्या करना है? Thin line बनानी है, right? Because these are the reference line like this, okay? But thin lines. This line, the line which is going to pass through this point must pass through the center and must pass through this point. Okay, अगर लाइन जो है वो तीनों पॉइंट को टच कर रहा है, that means your drawing is accurate. Okay, so this is the method for making the 12 equal division of circle. If you are having any query, any doubt, you can ask me. If you want to use the mic, just raise your hand. I will activate your mic. See यहाँ पे सेंटर में, राइट, यहाँ पे सेंटर में ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. See, all the line will join at exactly at the center, then your drawing is perfect. Okay, if all the points are exactly on the center, at that time your drawing is perfect. Okay, so any queries? Otherwise you can start the drawing for this two drawing, this two numerical. You can start the working on it and you will have the 10 minutes for it. And I will just pick the 3-4 students randomly for sending the photographs. Okay, here is the students, those who need to send me the photo. Yes, everyone, just complete it quickly. And number 18, 45, 74, 57 need to send me. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 16, 17. Still, I think 19 students are pending. Please do it fast. Yes, number 18, 74. So, okay, so now we have the drawing from all the students, those who mentioned. And one thing from this photograph, I want to just say to everyone. See, it is mandatory that draw the drawings only in the sketchbook, not in the file pages, backside or blank pages. Right. It is mandatory to draw the drawings in the sketchbook only, right? Because this is the term work, right? This is what a term work. Maybe you are aware about the syllabus or no? Don't no, I don't know. But in the first lab, the syllabus was already declared, right? This term work contains marks. Okay, the term work contains mark, your internal marks, whatever the work of the entire semester that you are going to submit at the last, that thing is going to give you the marks. Okay, इसके marks है जो sketchbook में आप complete करोगे, तो ये sketchbook संभाल के रखना है submission तक, right? So अगर आप file page या blank page में करते हो, it is going to increase your work. Okay, you need to do it again in the sketchbook also. That's why I just make the practice to draw the drawing in the sketchbook only. See, in every semester, each and every time, what we are following is the student will complete the drawing in the sketchbook first. Then after, they need to take the approval from the faculty in the sketchbook, and after that, they can start the drawing sheet, a big drawing sheet of A2 size. But due to this situation right now, online situation, we are not focusing on the drawing sheet. That we will see later on once the college will start. Okay, regarding the drawing sheet. But right now the sketchbook is mandatory. Okay, we'll discuss about the sketchbook later on. Sketchbook का अभी कुछ sorry, drawing sheet का अभी कुछ consider नहीं कर रहे, लेकिन sketchbook में complete करना है. Okay, because this is the term work and it is contain your marks. Okay, internal marks. So I'm just moving back to the tutorial book again. Moving back to the tutorial book again. So what we have completed till now, you know the types of line, right? You know the dimensioning system. Now you know the dimensioning. You know the bisection of line, arc, and angle, and 12 and 8 equal division of circle, right? Along with the 12 and 8 equal division of circle, there is a one question that equal division of line, which is not included in this practice sheet, but that is also important and which is useful. So I will just guide you how to make the equal division of the line also. And for making the equal division of line, there is one method. Okay. So we'll see that method first. And before that, just 1 minute, I have one video. If I found that, which is actually very useful video, and in that video you can observe the animation, uh, how we can use the set square, how to use the set square. Just 1 minute, I'm just finding that video. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, actually I was not there in the previous lab, so I don't know that this video is there covered by
Construction of angles
Uh,
using set squares. Angles
just
that measure 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree, 90 degree and 105 degree.
so have you seen this video? आपने देख लिया है? Okay, so this is not okay. So let's continue. See, in this video, you will see how to use the set square. Okay, properly how to use the set square first. Okay, we'll use the learn the use of the drawing instrument first. Then after we'll go to the next question, that is the equal division of line. Okay. So just observe this entire procedure. The video is having the sound also. Okay.
Can be drawn using the pair of set squares. A set square is a geometrical instrument triangular in shape and made of plastic. There are two types of set squares. One is in the shape of an isosceles right-angled triangle. The other one is in the shape of a scalene right-angled triangle. One of the pair of set squares in the geometry box has angles measuring 90 degree, 45 degree and 45 degree and has equal sides with the angle containing 90 degrees, while the other has angles measuring 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree and has unequal sides. Angles measuring 90 degree can be drawn using either set square. Angles measuring 45 degree can be drawn using the first set square, while angles measuring 30 degree and 60 degree can be drawn using the other one. Angles measuring 75 degree and 105 degree have to be drawn using both the set squares together. Let us now see the construction of some angles using set squares. Steps of construction of angle 30 degree. Step 1. To draw an angle of 30 degrees, place the set square with the 30 degree angle at a point O as shown. Then draw a ray OB starting from the vertex measuring 30 degree. Step 2. Now draw a ray OA along the other edge of the set square starting from O, such that angle AOB is equal to 30 degree. Steps of construction of angle 45 degree. Step 1. To construct an angle of 45 degree, place the set square with the 45 degree angle at a point O and then draw a ray OB starting from the vertex measuring 45 degree. Step 2. After this, draw a ray OA along the other edge of the set square starting from point O. The angle so obtained is of measure 45 degree. Steps of construction of angle 60 degree. Step 1. To construct an angle of 60 degree, use the 30 degree set square that used earlier to draw an angle of 30 degree. Step 2. Place the set square with the 60 degree angle on vertex O and then draw a ray OB starting from the vertex measuring 60 degree. Step 3. Now draw a ray OA along the other edge of the set square starting from point O. The angle so obtained is of measure 60 degree. Steps of construction of angle 75 degree. Step 1. To construct an angle of 75 degree, use both the set squares in combination as 45 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 75 degree. Step 2. As there are two angles of 45 degree in a 45 degree set square, it can be placed in two different ways, and a ray BC can be drawn starting from the vertex B, measuring 45 degree as shown. Step 3. Now, place the 30 degree set square adjacent to the 45 degree set square, as shown on the screen. Step 4. Draw a ray BA along the other edge of the 30 degree set square that is not touching the 45 degree set square, starting from point B. The angle so obtained is of measure 75 degree. Steps of construction of angle 90 degree. Step 1. As both the set squares have 90 degree angles, either of them can be used to construct an angle of 90 degree. Step 2. Place the 30 degree set square or the 45 degree set square and draw a ray OB starting from the vertex measuring 90 degree. Step 3. Draw a ray OA along the other edge of the set square starting from point O. The angle so obtained is of 90 degree. The same procedure can be repeated with the other set square. Steps of construction of angle 105 degree. Step 1. To construct an angle of 105 degree, use both the set squares in combination as 45 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 105 degree. Step 2. There are two angles of 45 degree in a 45 degree set square. So, it can be placed in two different ways. Step 3. After placing the set square, draw a ray BC starting from the vertex B, measuring 45 degree as shown on the screen. Step 4. Now, place the 60 degree set square adjacent to the 45 degree set square, such that its 60 degree vertex coincides with point B as shown on the screen. Step 5. After this, draw a ray BA along the edge of the 60 degree set square, that is, not touching the 45 degree set square, starting from point B. The angle so obtained is of measure 105 degrees. Construction of angles using set square.
Okay, so that was the use of set square, right? Set square is already there with you. You already purchased the set square. So how to use the set square? That was the animation. Now I am starting one real video use of the set square, because the use of drawing instrument is very important. Okay, volume is not there, so I'm not keeping the volume, but I will just guide you what what it need to explain, right? First of all, if you want to make the drawing with respect to the page, okay, with respect to the page, see, this is the border line of your page, okay. See, why this requirement, मतलब इसका requirement क्या है? You have to take the reference from the boundary of page so that your drawing looks appropriate, right? आपका drawing का orientation जो page के respect में हो proper रहेगा, vertical या फिर horizontal, right? At that time it is going to look better, okay. So you have to set the first set square like this, आपके पास ऐसा set square होगा, right? Then after you have to set the second set square like this, okay, to this edge, second set square. Then after you can slide the first one, okay, you can slide the first one and you can take the reference line like this, okay. जहां से भी आपको drawing start करना है उसकी horizontal या फिर vertical line आप start कर सकते हो, and this line is going to be parallel, right? If you just draw the line like this, एक set square को आप fix करते हो, दूसरे को यहाँ पे slide करवाते हो, तो all the lines will become the parallel, okay. See, now the parallel line is also we can observe in the angle. So this is the line at particular angle. So how to draw the parallel lines? We can set the first one like this. Then after we can set the second one like this. Okay. Then after we have to fix the second one. इसको मतलब पूरा pressure करके दबा के रखना है. Then after we can slide the first one, and we can make the parallel lines. Okay, these are the parallel lines. इसको हम parallel line बना सकते हैं like this, sliding the first one. And all the drawings must need to be drawn like this, so that you will get the proper drawing. Okay, accuracy, proper accuracy will be there. Now how to set up the angle that is given over here? This is the first angle, that is the 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. So how to measure the different angle that you already seen in the animation? So just observe this thing in the real also. All the angles will be done one by one. This is the angle first one. Okay, a 45 degree angle. This set square have one angle is equal to 30, another angle is of 60, right? So this angle will become the 60. So this is the method for making the direct angles, right? We will learn the use of protractor also, right? If you want to make the 62 angle, if you want to make the 67 angle, that is also possible, right? This is the angle 30. Okay, this is the good thing for the knowledge, but if you use the protractor for measuring the angle, that will actually a speedy process for this kind of application, right? This is the angle actually how much? 45 plus 30. Okay, 45 plus this is the angle 30. So remaining will be over here. That will be the 15. Okay, 45 plus 30. Okay, so remaining will be the 15 over here. Now similarly over here, this is the 45, then after we'll add the 30. So that will gives the 75. This is 45, this is the 30, so it's the total is 75. Okay, now this is the equal division of circle again by using the set square. Okay, by using the set square. See what we have seen. We have seen the equal division of circle by using the compass, but that is also possible with the help of set square also. Okay, let's see it quickly. No need to draw it. We'll just observe it. So first of all, make the vertex line, horizontal and vertical. Then after the first line will be look like this. Okay, and the second line will be done like this. Then after make just one vertical line, it will give you the 8 equal division of the circle. And for making the vertical line, if you make it exactly vertical, you can use the two different set square like this, right? See, always you need the reference. Whenever you are just making anything, line or anything, always take the reference from anything. Then and then your drawing is going to be perfect. This is the 8 equal division of circle. We can also make the 12 equal division of circle. Okay. So this is the method for making the 12 equal division of circle. See why we are using the actually 30 degree angle over here. See, it's a very simple thing. See, in both cases actually, 8 equal division and 30 degree, 8 equal division and 12 equal division. See, in this case, 8 equal division. See, what is the total rotation? If you just complete the total rotation of the circle, it is how much? It is 360. Okay, it is a 360 degree. So if you divide by 8, so that is equal to 45, right? 45 degree. So all the angles will be of 45. All the angles will be of 45. And we can do the angle 45 with the help of the set square. So we can do the circle with the help of set square. So here 360 degree angle of this entire circle divided by 12. Okay. So that is equal to 30, right? 30 degree. So 30 degree is also possible in this compass, right? So 30 degree is possible, so that we can make all the angles by using the set square also. Okay. So this is another method. This is another method for making the 12 and 8 equal division of circle. See, we are just making the angles. Okay. So I think you can do this thing from your side also. No need to do it right now. Just learn the thing and practice it later on. See how they are taking the reference. Okay. See, this is the important thing over here. What need to do? What is the requirement over here? The requirement is we want to make the horizontal line over here like this. Okay, horizontal line. But we have to take care that this line must need to be parallel with the edge of the page, right? Edge boundary of the page. Another thing is it must need to be at the 90 degree to this vertical line at 90 degree. So how the reference is taken? We have the already one reference line over here, which is the horizontal one. Okay. So we have the set square like this over here. Then after the set one, second one will be like this at the particular edge. दूसरे को मतलब ऐसे सेट कर दिया. अब इसको प्रेस करना है पूरे प्रेशर के साथ. फुल हार्डली आपको हाथ से प्रेस करना है. Then after you have to slide the first one. Okay. Then after you can slide the first one, you will get the exactly horizontal line like this. Okay. So now this is the 12 equal division of circle. 12 equal division of circle. So this is the line and equal division of line. This is also explained over here, but we will see in that software also. Okay, let us observe it over here so that you will get the idea about the calculation also. See, this is the line of 130, right? This is the line I think of 130. Let me check it. So this is the line of 130 and we want to make the 8 equal division of the line. So the condition is what? if you have just 1 minute. जागो छो ना भाई बदा सो नहीं गए ना. Just raise the hand everyone quickly without any reason. Just raise the hand everyone quickly. Okay, so I found very good, excellent, 34 hands out of 37 and 3 might have the network issue. Okay, lower the hand. Actually, sorry that I am just continuing. This is the afternoon session, I know that, but I will try to make it interactive as much as possible. And आपकी साइड से भी interactive बनाने की try करो. That will be better for you. Okay, if you want to learn anything properly, just make it interactive. Okay, you can use the mic, that is also allowed in our lecture. You can use the mic, just raise the hand and I will activate your mic for discussion. So this is the line. What is the condition? We have one line. Okay, the condition is what? We have one line and the length is, let us say, 130 and we want to make the 8 equal division. Okay, So if you want to make the 13 division, if you want to make the 13 division of this line 1 3, so we can make the one division of 10 mm, right? एक division आप 10 mm का बना लो तो ठीक से बन जाएगा. Yes, we can do the 13 division by this 10 mm and by marking from here directly by using this scale or set square. That is easy. Okay, but now in this case the line length is 130 and the size of the division required is 8. Okay, so each division will be of 16.25. एक division होगा 16.25 का. हमें 8 इक्वल डिवीजन करना है. इस लाइन के कितने 8 इक्वल डिवीजन करने हैं. तो इक्वल डिवीजन एक डिवीजन होगा 16.25 का. So is it possible to draw the 16.25? This is the 15. Now this is the 16. अगर आपको स्क्रीन में प्रॉपर्ली दिख रहा है तो 16 के बाद डायरेक्टली क्या आता है 17. 16.25 पॉसिबल नहीं है, right? And if you are talking about the engineering drawing, we need the accuracy. Okay, we need the exact 16.25. So how to do that? Let us see. We are just making one another line at particular angle, just random angle. This angle doesn't matter, but the line must need to start from this corner and make sure that this line is easily dividable by 8. ये आपको यहाँ पे एक लाइन बनाना है जिसका कोई भी एंगल ले सकते हो. एंगल डजंट मैटर, लेकिन इसका लेंथ जो है वो 8 से प्रॉपर्ली डिवाइड होना चाहिए, राइट? ये आप 80 की ले सकते हो तो एक डिवीजन कितने का हुआ 10 mm का. If you take the length of the line 80 mm, then one division will be of 10 mm. If you take the length is equal to 160 mm, at that time one division will be of 20 mm. Okay, so you can take the length of this line as a 8, as a 12 also. Okay, 12 is also possible. Then after 16 is also possible. Okay, but you have to make sure that this line must need to be divided by 8 divisions properly. इसके 8 division properly हो जाने चाहिए, right? So each division will be of 10 mm. See, this all the division are of 10 mm just by these points. Okay, now what we need to do, we have to join the last point to the last point. We are joining the last point to the last point like this. Okay, now we need to draw the parallel lines. Okay, now we need to do what? We need to draw the parallel lines to this line which are just passing through all the points individually. इस लाइन से पैरेलल लाइन बनानी है जो सभी पॉइंट में को टच करेगी, और वो जो लाइन है वो यहाँ पे जो टच करेगी वो हमारा डिवीजन रहेगा 16.25 का. ओके, सो फॉर द पैरेलल वी कैन सेट द सेट स्क्वायर लाइक दिस. पैरेलल के लिए आपको सेट स्क्वायर ऐसे सेट करना है. कैसे करना है? पहले यहाँ पे ये लाइन पे ये सेट स्क्वायर सेट कर दिया. अब दूसरा सेट स्क्वायर जो है वो यहाँ पे रख देना है, राइट? सेकंड सेट स्क्वायर यू हैव टू प्रेस इट हार्डली, इसको हिलने नहीं देना है, राइट? Then after you have to just slide the first one, and then after you can draw the line from all these point. सभी पॉइंट से आपको एकदम लाइट लाइन बनानी है. सी दिस आर दी एक्चुअली सपोर्टिव लाइंस. ओके, सो आपको लाइन जो है पूरी लाइट बनानी है. And this is the method for making the equal division of line. Equal division of line. Okay, so these are the 8 equal division of this line. Exactly of 16.25. Exactly of 16.25. Then see, one more method is there that I will just explain in the software. Just 1 minute. Then after you can start the drawing. I'm just repeating the equal division of line. Okay, repeating the equal division of line. So I'm taking the line of similar length. Okay, it's a very small one. Okay, So from 0 to 130, right? 0 to 130, and the another line, and again we want to make the 8 equal division, right? Again we want to make the 8 equal division of this line. And what is happening actually, this is the line of 80, this is the line of 80, right? As we said, we have to set the line, we have to draw the line which is going to be easily divided by the 8, right? Now if you don't want to make the division by using this line, okay, different division by using this line, what we can do is you can take the compass, use of compass, and just set the compass. Let us make it horizontal first, and also to this one 0 degree. So set the compass at measurement of one division. So what is the measurement of one division? The one division measurement is 10 mm, right? It is not possible over here exactly for me, but you have to make it. So you have to open the compass is equal to division 1. Okay, एक division जितना compass open करना है, फिर इसके बाद आपको ये point यहाँ पे set करना है और इसके 8 division कर देने हैं, right? Division number 1, then after division number 2, right? तो ये 8 division भी equal ही होंगे, right? 8 division भी equal ही होंगे. Okay, now I will ask you a one logical question to every student. ये डिवीजन कैसे करना है ये समझ में आ गया सबको? कंपास से एक एक स्लाइड करवाना है पॉइंट आपको, तो ये डिवीजन हो जाएगा, राइट? 8 इक्वल डिवीजन ऑफ दिस लाइन. ओके, नाउ आई विल आस्क यू वन लॉजिकल क्वेश्चन, ओके, जिसका आंसर आपको देना है. आप माइक का भी यूज कर सकते हो इफ यू वांट. जस्ट अ मिनट. Okay, see, one question is there from the Shrey that why we can't do it on that line. Okay, see, the same this limitation is there. Okay, same the limitation is there. What is the limitation? What is the limitation? Length of this line is equal to how much? 130. इस लाइन की लेंथ कितनी है? 130. और आपको डिवीजन करना है 8, राइट? इफ यू वांट टू मेक द डिवीजन इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? 8. तो 8 डिवीजन के लिए एक डिवीजन का लेंथ कितना रहेगा? एक डिवीजन का लेंथ रहेगा 16.25. 16.25. ओके, तो 16.25 का कंपास आप कैसे ओपन करोगे? It is not possible. See, I'm just giving you the practical idea. I'm just setting the compass here, and now I'm opening the compass, right? I'm opening the compass. See, this is the 15 and this is the 16. So 16.25, is it possible? No. After the 16, directly it is 17. So 16.25 is not possible in the compass. अगर possible होता तो हम directly, yes, if it was 18, then there is no any issue to learning this method. अगर 80 का ही length है तो कोई सीखने की जरूरत नहीं है, right? This is the method for the line which is cannot be easily divided. जो easily divide नहीं होती line, उसके लिए ये method है, right? So any query up to here? अब मैं क्वेश्चन आपको पूछ रहा हूँ सभी को, एक लॉजिकल क्वेश्चन. अगर डाउट है तो पूछ लो पहले ही. Okay, so no doubt. So ready for the question. See, we have learned the equal division of line by two different methods, right? By two different methods. In the method number one, what we have taken, let me show it, that will be better to understand. In the method number one, we have just make this line of 80 mm. यहाँ पे हमने line बनाया 80 mm का, और स्केल लेके 8 डिवीजन कर दिए इक्वली, और 8 डिवीजन को यहाँ से यहाँ प्रोजेक्ट कर दिया, हम ऐसा बोल सकते हैं। वी हैव प्रोजेक्टेड दिस 8 डिवीजन, 8 equal division by using this set square. Okay. In the another method, we have did the same thing. Okay. We have taken this line of length 80 mm. Then after we have to fix the measurement of 10 mm, setting the first point over here, then division, then second the setting the next point over here. Then after we are just dividing this line like this. ये line भी कैसे divide किया आपको समझ में आ गया, right? एक के बाद एक point पे आप कंपास रख के डिवीजन कर सकते हो. Now my logical question is, and you have to answer it quickly. In this method, ये कंपास वाली method, in this method, it is mandatory that we have to draw the line of 80 mm or 160 mm. ये लाइन जो है वो 80 mm या 160 mm या ऐसी लाइन बनाने की जरूरत है. Okay, so what happened if I just make the, okay, जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, you are saying that it's okay, believe I accept that. So I'm just removing this line. Okay, and setting the scale again over here at particular angle, and I am drawing a random line. अभी इसका लेंथ कितना है वो मुझे पता नहीं है और मुझे देखना भी नहीं है, right? So by using the compass, can we make the 8 equal division? Yes, random angle and random length. इसका लेंथ भी मुझे पता नहीं, इसका लेंथ है 130, right? इसका लेंथ है 130, इसका लेंथ मुझे पता नहीं है. Now can I make the 8 equal division of this horizontal line? अब इस horizontal के line के 8 equal division कर सकते हैं by using the compass. अगर हाँ बोल रहे हो तो बताओ कैसे. You can use the mic also. Yes, Pankaj. You are saying no. Okay. Nirmal, Subham, Jani. Okay. Mic is active. Okay, mic is active. Just tell me how. Yes, anyone can use the mic. Anyone can use the chat box. Okay, that is the correct answer. Okay, now Subham, I'm changing question. Okay, as you are saying that we just need the 1 centimeter part of the line. Okay, that is, I understand. Now you are not having the scale. Okay, आपके पास scale भी नहीं है. Yes, that's the perfect answer. Yes, Jani, Subham Jani, that's the perfect answer. I'm waiting for the other students. Please answer it. I'm not having the scale. I am having the one line of 130 mm length. यहाँ पे एक line जो है उसका length है 130 mm. This line, bigger one, is the 130 horizontal one. इसका length है 130 mm. और ये line का length मुझे पता नहीं, मेरे पास scale भी नहीं है, compass है. तो मुझे इस line के 8 equal division करने हैं without use of scale. Is it possible? How it is possible? Just think about it. It's a logical question. और माइक यूज करो यार, क्यों शर्मा रहे हो? ओके, आपको माइक यूज नहीं करना है, कोई बात नहीं. लिखो फिर क्या लिख रहे हो. ओके, we can use the line intersection method. That is okay. More than half length. Okay. Use the method of dividing equal parts of line. No, except we can use the set square. Then making parts. Okay. Okay, so that is also acceptable answers from the students, but the perfect answer actually I have received only one, and that is from the Subham Jani. Excellent, Subham. Okay, now I'm explaining the answer to everyone. Okay, now I'm explaining the answer. Just think about this question. Think about this. See what everyone is thinking, that just make the bisection of this line by that bisection method. ओके, इस लाइन का बाइसेक्शन बना दो, मतलब कि दो पार्ट हो गए। अब दो पार्ट का फिर से बाइसेक्शन बना दो, मतलब चार पार्ट हो गए। अब चार पार्ट का फिर से बाइसेक्शन बना दो, फिर आठ पार्ट हो गए। अब इतनी मेहनत क्यों करे भाई, इतनी मेहनत क्यों करनी है? सी यू जस्ट नीड द इक्वल डिवीजन ऑन दिस लाइन। इस लाइन पे हमें इक्वल डिवीजन चाहिए, 8। राइट, इस लाइन पे लॉजिकली सोचो तो इस लाइन पे हमें क्या चाहिए? 8 इक्वल डिवीजन चाहिए। उसका लेंथ क्या है वो कोई मैटर नहीं करता। राइट, जस्ट टेक द रैंडम लेंथ, जस्ट टेक द रैंडम लेंथ फॉर द फर्स्ट डिवीजन। यहाँ पे मैं कंपास ओपन करके रैंडम लेंथ पे आपको ये आर्क बना देता हूँ। राइट, then after you have to just shift to the same measurement. You can take the same measurement like this. ओके, अब इसका लेंथ क्या है इस डिवीजन का वो कोई मैटर नहीं करता। आपको क्या चाहिए? इस लाइन पे सिर्फ 8 डिवीजन बनने चाहिए। तो अभी 8 डिवीजन में जो प्लॉट करूंगा यहाँ पे, उसके बाद इस 8 डिवीजन को यहाँ से यहाँ ट्रांसफर करूंगा फॉर द बाय द मेथड ऑफ पैरेलल लाइन लाइक दिस। तो यहाँ पे तो इक्वल डिवीजन ही मिलेगा ना हमें 8, यहाँ पे 8 इक्वल डिवीजन ही मिलेगा कि नहीं? तो ये समझ में आया सभी को? जस्ट रिस्पॉन्ड मी इन द चैट बॉक्स, ये समझ में आया? बाइसेक्शन मेथड बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा, बाइसेक्शन मेथड में जाने के लिए जरूरत नहीं है। ओके, ये जो लाइन 8 सेंटीमीटर की बनानी है वो आपको कंफ्यूज करने के लिए था एक्चुअली, बट यू हैव टू थिंक लाइक अ इंजीनियर। यस, इट्स बहुत सिंपल था ये जो मैंने बोला ना कि लाइन को 8 सेंटीमीटर बनाना है, 80 बनाना या फिर 1860 बनाना है, वो आपको कंफ्यूज करने के लिए था। ऐसा कोई जरूरत नहीं है कि आप लाइन का मेजरमेंट लो। जस्ट ड्रॉ दी सिंपल लाइन एट एंगल, देन यूज द कंपास एंड यूज द एनी size for the division. Okay, so now I think we have 10 to 15 minutes left. You can make the practice of this equal division of line. Just take the same measurement. Okay, take the length of the horizontal line is equal to 130, and take the another line at any angle, take the any length, उसकी length 80 लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप समझ गए हो, right? And I will just say the 3 student who is going to send me the photo before the 5:25. Okay, so start the practice now. I will just make a lucky draw and send the 3 numbers who have to send me the photo. If any questions, any queries there, just ask me in the chat box. You can raise the hand also. Okay, so we have a lucky draw number 32, 38, 44, 55, 61. Send me the photo of your drawing. Okay, so it was done for the ABH. ABH में complete हो चुका था for the length of 112. As the number 44 send me. Yes, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, then no issue. Okay. Also, you can start in just a minute. Okay. Yes, any query, any questions up to here, you can ask me. And now onwards, if you're having any query, any questions, just raise the hand, because in the chat box, just start the attendance now. Name and enrollment number without any special characters. Just complete the attendance quickly in the chat box. And if you're not having any query, any questions, you can close the meeting. Have a nice day. Thank you. Dharmik, send me the message again. I lost your number. Just send me the message again. Are you there, Dharmik? I'm saying that I lost your number actually. So can you just send me the message again? Okay, just send me it later on. Okay, in the WhatsApp. We'll discuss in the chat, WhatsApp chat. I'm closing the session now. Yes, I'm available. Hello. I said that. Can you send me it again? I lost. Hmm, actually, maybe you are sending to another faculty. Just check. आप किसको भेज रहे हो वो देख लो. मुझे नहीं मिला कोई फोटोग्राफ फ्रॉम योर साइड. एक बार चेक करो आप किसको भेज रहे हो. राइट. Yes, now you can send me there. Okay, I'm closing the session now.